dudes, welcome to Pistachio and Rose Milk. This is literally like drinking liquid pistachio ice cream with simple ingredients, and that is my favorite ice cream, which I can rarely come across. Okay, so the beautiful thing about this is that we're gonna make pistachio rose milk, and then with the pulp, we're gonna make some beautiful chocolate pistachio matcha energy balls. Super easy to make, and we're gonna use the Nama M1 plant milk maker. Okay, so we're gonna make this pistachio milk. We're gonna use 1 cup of pistachios, and what's great at the top of the jug on the M1 milk maker is the measurement of a cup. So I just pour in 1 cup of whole pistachios. Okay, next step, sweeten it to taste. We're gonna go with just 2 simple pitted dates. Like as I said there, this tastes like pistachio ice cream, and most pistachio ice creams aren't vegan, so I find it very challenging because I just adore it. So this is nice wonderful. Pinch of salt. We've got 4 little roses, dried rose petals or dried roses. Those obviously are buds, really. Buds, yeah. Leave them out if you don't like the taste of rose. I think it just goes beautiful. It has that lovely Middle Eastern kind of note to it. And then finally, we are going with a little bit of vanilla. Just a tiny bit of vanilla essence or extract, and we're going with 4 cups of water. So we're going 1 to 4, 1 part pistachio to 4 part water. And if you prefer it thicker, just reduce it to 3.5 or 3 parts. You let it go much thicker. And what's amazing about the Nama M1 milk maker is literally in 1.5 minutes, you will have your own homemade plant milk. So here we go. You ready? Steady. Go! Woo! 3, 2, 1. Yay! Okay, next up. So literally that's been 1 minute blending around, and here we go. I literally open. And halfway through this, it's gonna blend just to remove more, or spin more to extract more milk. So it really extracts as much of it as it can. So it's got wonderful blend and strain technology, which is patented technology. You'll see now it's gonna kick in and really start, the centrifuge starts going, and this just makes sure that it gets out such quality, creamy, delicious milk. Amazing, and there you go, that's it done. Okay, so we've got our 2 coolest jars and glasses, and we are going to savor this delight. I'm gonna drink out of the bottle just to be real. So we get about 1 liter of milk, and like this you will devour. So I'm gonna take my super right-on glass straw and pop it in here, and here we go, to your good health. Here we go. Oh, delicious, no? God. Like, it's honestly so tasty. It's so refreshing. And what's wonderful here now, so what Nama have really done they've lent into the zero waste aspect of this. We're gonna use the pulp from this, and we're gonna make energy balls without doing anything, simply rolling up the pulp. Like, it's incredible. So what Nama have done, they provided a pulp mat, which is to ensure zero waste, where you actually use the pulp to make energy balls. Okay, so we're just simply gonna take out the sieve and blend piece and literally just twist it like that, just to loosen off our pulp. The pulp is really dry, so this mat you can simply fold up, you could refrigerate it, you can easily dehydrate it and turn it into an almond meal or to make some crackers with it. You could dehydrate it, but today we're gonna make energy balls with it. So this is pistachio and rose pulp. In on top of it, I'm gonna add a tablespoon of maple syrup. I'm gonna put some cacao nibs, they're gonna add that nice chocolate note through it. I go with a nice pinch of salt. We're gonna bring that together. So we're just gonna take them, roll them into a ball. Take a little bit of desiccated coconut, and I'm just gonna coat them in a little bit of desiccated coconut. We could roll them in some matcha, some beetroot powder for pink. The Nama M1 milk maker is honestly a game changer. I've had it at home the last week, and I've been trying it different recipes with my kids, and it really is amazing. Making your own oat milk out of simple ingredients such as salt, oats, and water, and getting the right level of viscosity and sweetness and creaminess. It's got a 15-year warranty. In 1.5 minutes, you will have the milk of your choice to the degree that you want, using ingredients that you know and love. And use the pulp just to make simple little energy balls, which are a great healthier snack on the go that are packed full of fiber. You can get 10% off your Nama M1 milk maker, as well as other Nama juices as well, with the code HAPPYPEAR10 at checkout. Couldn't recommend it more. They're an amazing company. It's all about supporting you to eat more plants, so directly in line with ourselves, our mission as the Happy Pear. So thank you for watching. We really, really appreciate it. And yeah, we'd really encourage you to check out the Nama M1 milk maker. Thanks a mil. Bye. Cheers. Bye.